Hello, so as you may have seen from that last little clip, the 6 has some new wheels. So these are Rotiform TUF-R or TUF-R. These are a 19 by 9.5 ET38. I think they suit the car really well. Had quite a few choices of wheels. Finding something in the 19 was a little bit tricky, but it was a toss up between the Rotiform RSEs and these. I think I chose right. Tyres are Yokohama AE51s, 235/40/19. Just enough stretch to clear. You can see the fronts are very well tucked in. The rears, the arches could do with rolling, to be fair. It is very close. But if I want to air out completely, then they need to be rolled. But for the time being, I quite like it like that. So yeah, not much else to say really. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Ride height may be a little bit unsettled. This surface isn't the greatest. If I just step back, it's currently in an old petrol station. I just took some photos for the socials. At some point I do want to get an exhaust, just so the tip's a little bit more flush with the bumper. At the minute they're just cheap bolt-on tips, so yeah, very happy with how this is sitting at the minute. A few more things planned for the car, not anything major. Like I said, exhaust and probably a skirt and splitter kit, but we shall see.